The graphics card industry is undergoing a revolutionary shift. For years, NVIDIA has dominated the market with its GTX and RTX series, setting the benchmark for performance, ray tracing, and AI-driven enhancements. However, AMD is stepping up with a major contender, the RX 970 XT. This GPU aims to redefine gaming with its efficiency, competitive pricing, and exceptional performance. But is it truly capable of dethroning NVIDIA? Can AMD disrupt the industry and take the lead? Let's dive into the details and analyze what makes the RX 970 XT a potential game changer. The growing demand for GPUs, why it matters. The technological landscape is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and the demand for high-performance GPUs is skyrocketing. By 2025, the global need for advanced graphics processors is expected to increase dramatically, driven by several key factors. Artificial intelligence, AI, integration. AI applications are no longer confined to research labs. They now extend to gaming, content creation, healthcare, and autonomous vehicles. GPUs play a vital role in handling AI workloads due to their superior parallel processing capabilities. Gaming evolution. Modern video games demand more power than ever before. Realistic graphics, ray tracing, and ultra-high resolutions are becoming standard. As gaming technology advances, GPUs must keep up to ensure seamless performance. Virtual and augmented reality, VR and AR. The growing adoption of VR and AR in gaming, industrial applications, and training simulations requires powerful GPUs to deliver immersive experiences. With these trends pushing hardware to its limits, companies like AMD and NVIDIA are compelled to innovate continuously. The RX 970 XT is AMD's strategic response to this increasing demand for high-performance graphics processing. Architecture. RDNA 3 versus Ada Lovelace. A GPU's architecture defines its efficiency, performance, and ability to support emerging technologies. Here's how AMD's RDNA 3 stacks up against NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture. AMD RX 970 XT, RDNA 3 architecture. Enhanced performance. RDNA 3 offers improved performance per watt, delivering more power with optimized energy consumption. Superior efficiency. The RX 970 XT utilizes innovative design improvements that reduce power consumption while enhancing performance. Smart Access Memory. SAM. This feature enables AMD CPUs to access the GPU's full memory, eliminating bottlenecks and boosting overall speed. NVIDIA RTX 570, Ada Lovelace architecture. Advanced ray tracing. Enhanced ray tracing cores improve lighting, shadows, and reflections, creating realistic visuals. AI tensor cores. These cores handle AI-driven enhancements, such as NVIDIA's DLSS, which boosts frame rates in demanding games. Variable rate shading. VRS optimizes rendering power allocation, ensuring performance improvements without quality loss. RDNA 3 prioritizes raw efficiency and performance, whereas Ada Lovelace focuses on AI-powered enhancements and cutting-edge graphics features. Memory and bandwidth, the core of gaming performance. Memory configuration and bandwidth significantly impact how well a GPU handles complex scenes and textures. Here's how these two GPUs compare. AMD RX 970 XT memory setup. 12 GB GDDR6 memory ensures stable performance in modern games. 384 GB per second bandwidth supports high-resolution textures and fast data transfers. Efficient memory management optimizes performance with Smart Access Memory. NVIDIA RTX 570 memory configuration. 16 GB GDDR6X memory offers greater future-proofing for high-resolution gaming. 512 GB per second bandwidth ensures seamless handling of demanding tasks like ray tracing. Faster data transfers provide a performance edge in memory-intensive applications. While NVIDIA leads in memory capacity and speed, AMD's optimization techniques close the gap in real-world gaming scenarios. Power efficiency and thermal design. Efficient power usage and effective cooling are crucial for maintaining long-term GPU performance. AMD RX 970 XT, balanced efficiency. TDP of 250W, making it more power efficient than many competitors. Dual-fan cooling system optimizes airflow while keeping noise levels low. Optimized power distribution ensures maximum performance per watt. NVIDIA RTX 570, high performance, higher power draw. TDP of 300W, requiring more power than AMD's RX 970 XT. Triple fan cooling with X3 technology efficiently manages heat dissipation. AMD wins in power efficiency, making it a great option for those who prioritize energy consumption and long-term savings. Gaming performance, real-world benchmarks. Performance in actual gaming scenarios is often more telling than raw specifications. Here's how the RX 970 XT and RTX 570 perform across various game titles. AMD RX 970 XT, gaming performance. Assassin's Creed Odyssey, 120 FPS in 4K Ultra settings. The Witcher 3, smooth gameplay exceeding 100 FPS. Optimized for rasterization, delivers high frame rates in traditional games. NVIDIA RTX 570, gaming performance. Cyberpunk 2077, 90 FPS at 4K with ray tracing enabled. Fortnite, 130 FPS, boosted by DLSS technology. Ray tracing and AI advantage. Excels in games with AI-driven enhancements. While AMD dominates in raw performance, NVIDIA leads in ray tracing and AI-powered features. Ray tracing and AI capabilities. Ray tracing and AI-driven features define the future of gaming visuals. AMD RX 970 XT, practical ray tracing. Improved ray tracing with RDNA 3, though still behind NVIDIA. More power for traditional rendering while maintaining efficiency. NVIDIA RTX 570, superior ray tracing and AI. DLSS 3 technology improves frame rates in high-demand games. Unmatched ray tracing capabilities deliver breathtaking visuals in supported titles. NVIDIA retains the edge in ray tracing, but AMD offers an efficient alternative for those prioritizing raw power over advanced lighting effects. Pricing and value for money. Cost plays a pivotal role in selecting a GPU. AMD RX 970 XT, estimated price, $599. NVIDIA RTX 570, estimated price, $899. AMD offers better value for budget-conscious gamers looking for high performance without premium pricing, whereas NVIDIA caters to enthusiasts who demand cutting-edge technology regardless of cost. The verdict: which GPU should you choose? Your choice depends on your gaming priorities. Choose the AMD RX 970 XT if you want high performance at a more affordable price. Efficiency and high frame rates matter more than ray tracing. You primarily play traditional games without heavy AI-based enhancements. Choose the NVIDIA RTX 570 if you prioritize top-tier ray tracing and AI-driven features. You want the best possible performance for next-gen gaming. You are willing to pay a premium for cutting-edge technology. Final thoughts. NVIDIA's reign isn't over yet, but AMD is making a bold move with the RX 970 XT, offering serious competition at an attractive price. Gamers now have more choices than ever before, and the future of GPUs looks more exciting than ever. Stay tuned for more in-depth tech analysis on technology in the future.